Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. This is just the finish up of my last ride in Boulder, Colorado. This is me coming off the trail. If you're in Colorado, if you're in Boulder, go check out the trails. But then don't forget to go check out Pearl Street for a bite to eat and just go around, look around. There's a lot of cute shops. I can tell you, even riding on the street, see all those e-bikes that just went by. That's a lot of e-bikes. But I can tell you, just riding around in the neighborhoods in Boulder. I love the neighborhoods in Boulder. They're so cute. I love the houses. Fall time in Boulder is super beautiful, guys and ladies. Go check it out. But anyway, like said in the last video, Boulder is a bicycle friendly city. So you can ride on the street, all that stuff right here. I'm on the bike path, which is clearly marked. And what I like is that they also have where there's a walk path that you can walk down to a lot of times. So you're not on the same path as the bikes if you just want to walk. Anyway, just check out some of my video in regards to me just riding around Boulder and riding through the Pearl Street area too. And also I went through University of Colorado a little bit. Beautiful campus. I love the campus there. I love their campus. I love University of Oregon's campus, Washington State's campus. Those towns that a lot of times are smaller cities that house these type of Division I colleges. They're so cute, a lot of them. During this video, though, it's a overcast day, but the sun starts peeking out after a while. But even being overcast, it was such a great ride. The weather was really great. I really enjoyed my time up here, and the Radmini did really well. I still recommend this bike to folks. Like I said, this is my second Rad Power bike. I really enjoy these bikes, to be honest with you. To maximize them, if you want to maximize the range on it, I leave it in level 3 if I want to make sure I have tons of range left. So level 3 will give you about 16, 17 miles an hour. So it helps out. It's a good pace, but also conserves your range. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching my videos and have a good day.